Yes, now here multiplication by 100, 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Then how to multiply? So when the number is multiplied with 10, what is the answer? So then the number is multiplied with 100, then what is the product? Then the number is multiplied with 1000, then what is the product? See here, 43 into 10. 43 into 10, it is nothing but 43 tens. 43. If 43 is multiplied with 10, then 43 tens. Then how to write 43 tens? 43 tens. We have to take 1 0. We have to take 1 0. So then it is nothing but 43 tens. In tens we have 1 0. So that is why we have to keep 1 0 in ones place. In ones place. In the same way, 57 is multiplied with 10. It is nothing but 53 tens. Then 53 tens means 530. 130. The same way, 93 into 10. 93 tens. 93 tens. 93 tens means in ones place we have to take 1 0. Why? Because in tens we have 1 0. In tens we have 1 0, so that is why we have to take 1 0 in ones place. Now with 100, 19 with 100. 19 into 100 is 1900. 1900, that is 19. So we have to take 2 zeros. Why we are taking here 2 zeros? In hundreds place we have 2 zeros, so that is why in ones place and in tens place we have to keep 2 zeros, 2 zeros. This is your product. 54 into 100, that is 54 hundreds. 54, then 5400. Then how to write 5400? 5400 means 2 zeros. 5400. Now 69 into 100, it is 6900. That is 69. In 100 place we have 2 zeros, that 2 zeros we have to keep. Now 8 into 1000, that is 8000. 8000. It is very easy. In thousands place we have 3 zeros. After third place we have 1000. So 8000. 8000. 37 into 1000. 37,000. 37,000. 37,000. In 1000 we have 3 zeros. That 3 zeros we have to keep from ones, tens, from ones place to hundreds place. Okay, ones, tens, 100. 82 into 1000, that is 82,000. 82,000. That is 82,000. So in this way we have to find our product. If suppose if the number is not given in ones, tens, and tens, 100 and 1000, then how to multiply? How to multiply? If possible, then you have to convert in tens, 100 and 1000 and multiply it. So here 13 into 20, there is no 10. Then how to do? If possible, then make in tens. If possible, make in hundreds. If possible, then make in 1000. If it's not, then direct we have to multiply. Say in first we discuss 3-digit number into single digit, 2-digit numbers into single digit. In that way we have to multiply. If possible, then we have to try to convert in tens, hundreds, like that. Here 13 I want to take as it is, into 20 is there. So 20 I want to write 2 tens are 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. So in tens I get in tens. I am getting here in tens. Now after this you have to find the product of these two. 13 twos are 26. 26 into 10. Now 26 into 10. Now you convert 26 into 10. 26, 10. 26, 10 means 260. What is your answer? 260. Why? Because in 10 only one 0 is there, so we have to take 1 0 in ones place. So here 4 into 300, if possible, so if possible in tens, then you convert in 10. If possible hundreds, you convert in hundreds. If possible 1000, you have to convert in 1000. So that you think and you do. Okay. Then 4 into 300. 3 into 100, 300. 3 into 100 is 300. Now I converted this in hundreds. Now you multiply 4 3s are 12. 12 into 100. 12 into 100, 1200. 1200 means 1200. In 100 we have 2 zeros. It is 1200. It is 1200. Now this also same. 17 into 900. Then 17 into 9 into 100. 9 into 100 is 900. So I want to take 900 as 9 into 100. Then now we multiply 17 9s are 153. 153. Then into 17 9s are 153 into 100. So 153 into 100. 153 100 means 153 100. 153 100 is 153. In hundreds you have 2 zeros. You keep 2 zeros. You keep 2 zeros. Okay. Now 3 into 500. 3 into 500 means 5 into 100. 5 into 100, 500. Now 3 5s are 15 into 100. That is 1500. 1500, which is equal to 15. In 100 we have 2 zeros. That 2 zeros you keep there in ones place and in tens place. So if some questions, if he gives like this, then first you think if it's possible in terms of tens, 100 and 1000. Then first you convert tens, 100 and 1000. Then multiply that, and after that we have to do. So here in this questions directly, so these numerals multiply with 10, multiply with 100, multiply with 1000 is given. No need to modification, just we have to write the product. But here, so here 13 into 20 is there, so modification is there. So 220 means 2 tens are, so in this way we have to modify, and we have to find the product with multiplying with tens, multiplying with hundreds, and if possible then multiplying with thousands also. Okay. Multiply 432 with 10. It means 432 tens. 432 tens means 432 tens means 1 0 we have to take in ones place. So then what is our answer? 4320. 432 tens means 4320. In the same way. 812 tens means 812 tens. That is 81210 we have to take in ones place. It is equal to 8112. 8120. 8120. Now find the product of 471 with 100. It means 471 hundreds, which is equal to, so we have to take 2 zeros. When hundreds are there, we have to keep 2 zeros in ones place and in tens place. That is 47,100 is our answer. 73 into 100 is 7300. 7300 means, so we have to take 2 zeros. Why? Because here 100 is there. In 100 we have 2 zeros, it is in ones place and tens place. So we have to take 2 zeros. So it is 7300, which is equal to 7300. Now 4 into 3000. First, so we have to take 4 into 3000 means 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000, 3000. First we have to convert, so 3000 in the product of 1000, so which is equal to 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000, it makes 3000. Now multiply these two. 3 4s are 12. 12 into 1000, that is 12,000. 12,000. Then 12,000 means 12,000. In this way we have to write. In 1000 we have to take 3 zeros in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. So what is our answer? 12,000. Now 19 into 20. 19 into 20. Then 19 into 20. 19 into 20. So we have to write as a product of 10. Means 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. 19 twos are 38. 38 into 10. 38 tens. 38 tens. That is 380. 300 tens means 1 0. We have to take in ones place. So 380. In this way we have to find the product. Okay. Yes. Now here multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. 2-digit number by 2-digit number. So first we learn how to multiply if a 3-digit number is given, so with a single-digit number how to multiply. So that we learn. So now we are going to learn about a 2-digit number multiplication with 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. So then here 32 by 21 is given. First we have to take this 21. 21. So what is this 21? 21 means this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 2 tens, 1 ones. It is 2 tens plus 1 ones. 1 ones. 2 tens and 1 ones. That is 21. That is 21. Now 2 tens is nothing but, say 20. 2 tens is nothing but 20. This is 20. 2 tens is 20. 2 into 10 plus 1 ones. 1. 2 tens is 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1. Now we have to multiply 32 with 21. 32 with 21. It means 32 as it is into, so we have to take 21 as 20 plus 1. 21 is nothing but 20 plus 1. Now, according to distributive property, so we have to multiply 32 with 20. 32 into 20. Again plus is there. 32 with 1. 32 with 1. According to distributive property, 32 is multiplying with 20 and plus sign is there. 32 multiply with 1. Now 32 20. 32 20 means 2 tens are 2 tens are 32 ones are 32. If any number is multiplied with 1, then we will get the same answer only. 32 only. If any number is multiplied with 1, so we will get the same number, that is 32. Then 32 twos are 64. 64 tens means 1 0 we have to take. 64. 32 twos are 64. 64 and 1 0 is there in tens, that 1 0 we have to keep. Plus 32. Now if you add these two in a column or in a row. 0, ones place and ones place. 0 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7 and 6 answers, 672. This is your product. So in multiplication, 32 multiply with 21. First, this 32 with 1, 32 ones are 32 ones are 32. You keep here 32. Then after that, 32 20s are 32 20s are. So here 32 ones are. 32 ones are, we will get this. Now 32 20s are. Why? Because this 20 is in hundreds place. So we have to take 20s are. 32 20s are. This 32 20s are. What is 32 20s are? 32 20s are. What is your answer? 640. 32 20s are 640. 640. Now you add. Then 2 plus 0 2. 3 plus 4 7 and 6. 672. 672. This is your answer. This is your answer. First 32 ones are. 32 ones are. This shows 32 ones are. Then 32 twos are. So this is in 20s are. This is in tens place. So we have to take 20 here, not 2. So 20. So 32 20s are 640. So that is why we are getting here 0. So 672. 672. Okay. Multiply 27 with 27. Then how to multiply first? First you take 27 with 27. 27 with 27. Then 27, this 27 you keep as it is. 27 means 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7. 2 tens and 7 ones. 7 ones. 2 tens and 7 ones. Then according to distributive property, 27 with 20 plus 27 with 7. 27 with 7. Then how to do this? 27. 27. 20 means 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20 plus. Then how to multiply this? 27 with 7. First we have to multiply this. 7. 27 with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 means 9 in ones place, 4 in tens place. 7 twos are 14. 14 and here borrow. 14 plus 4 18. 189. 189. Here 27 twos are 54. And here 10 is there. 54 plus 189. In this way we have to do. Now this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 27 sevens are. 27 with 7. 27 with 7, 189. What it represents? 27 with 7. 27 with 7. Now 27 with 2. 20. Here 27 with 20, 540. 540. How to write 540? This is 27 with 27 with 20. 27 with 20. Now add this all. 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 729. 729. So in this way we have to do. In this way, so we have to do. Now here 34. 34 into 25. 34 into 25. 34 into 25 means 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5, 25. Now distributive property. 34 into 20 plus 34 with 5. 34 with 5. Now 34 with 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 means 0 we keep here and 2 here. 5 3s are 15 and 2 over here. 16, 17. 170. 34 5 are 170. 34 2s are 68 and 10 is there, that is 680. Now 34 5s are first. 34 5s are how much? 170. Next 34 2s are 680. Now add 0, 15 and carry over here. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. 850. 850. Now 15 into 23, that is 15 into 23. 23 means 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. Now 15 with 20, distributive property. 15 into 20 again plus 15 into 3. 15 2s are 30 and 10s is there 1 0. 15 3s are 45. Now this way 15 3s are 45. It represents 15 3s are 15 3s are. Next these are 300. This represents 15 20s are 15 20s are. Now you add 5 4 3. 345 is your answer. 345 is your answer. Okay. Multiply 274 by 18. So this is a 3-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. Then how to multiply 3-digit number with 2-digit number? See here. First you take 3-digit number. 274 multiply with 18. Okay. First this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. First we have to multiply the given number with 8. What is there in ones place? 8. With ones place number we have to multiply. First you make a rough column like this. Rough column. Okay. Now first you start from 8. 8th with ones place. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Then this is, you keep this in one place and this is in tens place. So these two you have to keep in ones place. Then these 3, so carry over here in tens place. Okay. Now after that this 8 with tens place. 8 7s are 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. And what is carry over here? 3. That you have to add. 6 plus 3 9. And this 5 as it is. So we are multiplying here tens place. So that is why. So the first place shows tens place. This shows hundreds place. First ones and tens. Here tens and 100. Tens and 100. So this 9. So we have to write in tens place. And this 5. So we have to take carry over in hundreds place. Then after that 8 with 2. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. And here what is carry over here? 5. That we have to add. Here 1 21. 21, this is our last place, so complete 21 you have to take here. Okay, 2019. So this complete number we are multiplying with 8. It is over. It is over. Now Now we are going to start with ones place, tens place. What is there in tens place? In tens place 1 is there. So we are going to start with tens place. So in tens place 1 0 is there. In tens place, in ones place we have to take 1 0 here. Why? So this 1 is in tens place. So that is why. So in tens 1 0 is there in ones place. So we keep 1 0 here. 1 0 here. Now you start with 1. 1 with unit place. 1 with ones place. What is there in ones place? 1 4 za. Now 1 with 4. 1 4 za 4. Here only a single digit number. That single digit we have to write after 0, means in tens place. So then 1 with 7. 1 with tens place. 1 7 za 7. 7 is a single digit number, so that we have to write in the next place, that is in thousands place. Then after that 1 with 2. 1 2 za 2. So that 2 we have to write in thousands place. Then over here 1 with 4, 1 with 7, 1 with 2. 8 with 1, 8 with 7, 8 with 2. 8 with 4, 8 with 7, 8 with 2. 1 with 4, 1 with 7, 1 with 2. Over. Now we have to add 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 4, 13 and 1 here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. So this is our answer. So when we are going to start with multiplication with tens place, so then first we have to keep 1 0 here in ones place. Why? Because in tens we have 1 0 in ones place. So this is must. Don't forget this. Don't start your answer from here. First you keep 0. Why? Because we are going to start our multiplication from tens place. That is 1. 1 is there in tens place. In tens place we have 1 0 in ones place. First you keep ones in ones place, then after that write your product. Okay? Yes, now multiply. Here 3 digit numbers are given. 3 digit number is multiplying with 2 digit number. So first, write the place values here: ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So first, we start multiplication from 4. This in ones place we have 4. 4 with 4. 4 4s are 4 with 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 means this represents ones, this represents tens. In ones place we have to take 6, and in tens place we take carry over here in tens place 1. Then after that again 4 4s are 4 4s are 16. 16 and carry over here plus 1 is there. 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. Ones and tens over. Now tens and 100. So in tens place we keep 7 here, and in hundreds place we take 1 carry over here. Then after that 4 with this 4. 4 4s are again 16. So what is carry over here? Plus 1. 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. That complete we have to write. Then ones place. In ones place we have 4. 4 with 4, 4 with 4, 4 with 4 is over. Now we have to start multiplication with this 4. This 4 is in tens place. In tens place we have one more 4. So we are going to start multiplication with tens place. So first we have to keep 0 first in ones place. First you keep 0 in ones place. Then after that start multiplication. Why? Because this is in tens place. In tens place we have 1 0 at the very beginning. So keep 1 0 here. Then after that 4 with this 4. 4 4 4 4 16. 16. Now this 16 in tens place. This is in hundreds place. Now we start from hundreds place. This is in tens place. This is in hundreds place. Then 1 is here. 1 we have to take over in tens place. So in tens place. Okay, here we have to take 6. Okay, now 4 with this 4, 4 with this 4, again 4 4 the 4 4 the 16. What is carry over here? 1. 16 plus 1 17. 17, this 7 we have to keep here, and this one we have to take in hundreds place. In hundreds place. Now again 4 4 the 4 4 the 16. What is carry over here? 1. 16 plus 1 17. So we have to write 17. Now multiply. Now add all this. 6, 7 plus 6, 13, and carry over here 15, and 1 here, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, and 1. So that is 19,536. 19,536. In this way you have to write. Okay. Now here also first, this is in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now you start multiplication with ones place. 5 6 5 6 30. 30, this is ones place, this is in tens place. Keep this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is a single digit number, you take as it is. Then 5 3s are 15, it is a last digit, keep as it is. Now this is over. Now we start with 1. So we are starting with 1, this is in tens place, you keep 0 first. Then 1 6 are 6, it is a single digit number, so keep as it is. 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Now we add 0, 14, and borrow here 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 1 4. 4,740. 4,740. Now here this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. 4 7s are 28. 28 means this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 8 and 2 over here. 4 8s are 32. Add this. 2 plus 2 4. This you cut it. And 34. 4 here and 3 over here. Here 4 cut it. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. This 7 you keep here. And after, now we are going to start with tens place, start with 0 here. Then now 2 7s are 14. This 4 we have to keep in here, and this one here. Then 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 7 we keep here, and 1 in carry in hundreds place. 2 8s are now 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Then add 8, 8, 14, 1, 4. 4,488. 4,488. So in this way you have to find your product. Okay.